Hello, Mary here. Sa lifestyle natin ngayon, marami ang nagkakaroon ng problems sa health. Okay? Merong mga bata pa dyan nagkakaroon na ng sakit sa puso because of sedentary lifestyle. I have been looking for affordable quality product na makakatulong sa health and I have found this one. Okay? It's from Live Good. This is Super Reds. It's a superfood and dietary supplement. So, ang gagawin dito is tinitimpla lang siya, parang juice drink, ganon. Ihahalo mo lang siya sa iyong favorite drink. It is in powdered form. So, titimplahin mo lang siya and you can take it once a day or twice a day, depende doon sa need ng iyong body. Okay? This is full of antioxidants and nutrients that our body needs. And I recommend this to everyone with a heart. It's for cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, brain, and cognitive function. It's organic, vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and dairy-free. So you can check this out on the website. I will be placing it on the description or in the comment section. Hanapin nyo na lang and you may check it out. It's very affordable and is manufactured in the US. It's very easy to order lang naman if you are interested kasi meron naman siyang website. And if you are also interested to be an affiliate and have this as a business, you can also register on the link that I have provided you. Bye!